Okay, we're gonna check out this beautiful SunSun Park. Shout out to Ryan Cardinal. So whole thing devoted to SunSun Hotel and SunSun Park. So let's get started. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are at SunSun Hotel, and got some pretty cool graffiti. So this is a shout out to Ryan Cardinal, who requested this video. This is SunSun Park. I'm going to walk through in a minute, but they have lots of people doing exercise. They got a little fountain over there, and people just kind of hanging out. So let's just get a little closer to SunSun Hotel, and we'll catch some of the graffiti work. And that yellow building, I think, is the Opium. I think it's connected to Opium Museum or something. I don't want to go into it, but we can. There's definitely people staying here, so that means there's tourists from Zhuhai, China, I guess, from Guangdong. Pretty cool artwork. Nice little set of chairs there. Lots of nice paint job. And roomage 30 looks like a restaurant next door. And let's just see what else is next door as well. Newsia. Convenience store. Okay, Chinoy, I think. Beauty store, that might be a Filipino one. That one is like woodwork. I don't know what this one is. Anyways, we won't focus on that too much, but we're gonna get into that park. It's getting a little bit late, but let's just focus on this one and check it out. It's kind of an old way to bring up all the suitcases, right? SunSun, Macao Closer magazines, Macao Post. Okay, let's just check out. And actually, this particular one has a lot of other. Let me see. There's a bar here too. Foosball table, more artwork. So yeah, this is a SunSun Hotel. Let's see what else there is here. So this looks like right next to it is the Square Portuguese restaurant. Okay, let's step away from it a little bit. I also just want to show you this building and then the side of this building as well. So this one has some pretty cool artwork, and this artwork changes almost constantly. So right now the artwork looks like this. Kind of a cool little. There's like a spray can right there. That's kind of cool. They're really yelling over there. They're really yelling a lot. But we'll keep the camera on them, and I want to show you this building though. So yeah, this is all the SunSun Hotel, and then you have more artwork there. These guys are really at it. So you got all this cool stuff too. These guys are really heated. So let's go back over to this side. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, I guess these are all the rooms of the whole of SunSun Hotel. So if somebody was to stay there, you might have one of these rooms. We'll also go back a little bit, and we'll try to capture. Looks like they're just having fun. So yeah, this is all the artwork. Actually pretty cool rooms. Okay, just for the crosswalk. Rua do Bacage and Praça de Ponte de Horta. Okay, let's step over on this side. So this is SunSun Hotel and SunSun Park. So let's go into the park a little bit, and then we're gonna step away, take a look at it from this angle. There you go. It's pretty cool. Hotel S. Okay, so we're gonna walk a little bit further in, then you can see the way the park is set up. And there's some public bathrooms over there. I don't know what this is. Looks like, let's take a look. Hotel S, SunSun Park. Probably a library. Don't know. I always see this more artwork over here. There's like a pretty cool little poker card thing, little king with cigarettes on their hand. And then there's also we'll just keep walking around the SunSun Park and SunSun Hotel. Our focus. Shout out to Ryan Cardinal, who requested checking out that neighborhood. There's a famous, this one right here, Banh Mi Teak, has a really good Vietnamese food. It's been closed during the whole COVID era, so I'm assuming that maybe what happened is sometimes some of the owners they closed down because of COVID, or maybe they were, a lot of people closed right at the height of it, and then they left the country. They went to like Hong Kong, or they went somewhere, and then it was easy to get locked out of the country at that time. Take a look at this one. This is all scaffolding all the way up, so it's kind of cool. And you can see like some makeshift apartments up at the top, right up there. So somebody made those on top of the other ones. Wow, look at the crack. I don't know if you can see that. There's a giant crack all the way through that building right there. It goes all the way up to the top. Huh. So it looks like they're scaffolding. I don't know if they're trying to restructure or rebuild things, or they're just painting things. Anyways, let's just keep on looking around. Over there, there's water to Zhuhai. And then there's a hotel over here called Masters Hotel. We'll just look down a little bit. So that one's called Masters Hotel. That's the first hotel I ever stayed at when I came to Macau. And let's just walk back. So we're gonna walk back to Sun, and then we'll close it at Sun. But so this is SunSun Park, and that's SunSun. It kind of looks like it might rain today. So this is and it's right next to a Portuguese restaurant, Square Cafe Portuguese restaurant. So we're gonna go back to it, take a look, and let me just see. Just gonna sneak by here real quick. So SunSun Hotel, right there, and we're gonna end it right there.